It's His way. His way, His will. Everybody's eyes closed. And I want you to just forget yourself for a minute. Forget yourself for a minute. You know, I have a habit of always adjusting because my boobs are not always in my bra right. Those types of things, just forget yourself right now. Right now, forget yourself. If you've been holding your stomach in, let it out. If you have been. I really want you to forget yourself. I really do. Try to do that. If your arms are crossed, drop them down at your sides. We're going to learn how to be at peace with ourselves. And listen, even if you're there, you got to practice it. You got to practice it. You still got to practice it. And we're going to learn how to be at peace with each other too. And then we're going to take that out into the world. And we're going to make an effort to do that. Because I'm holding you accountable. I want you to understand something, and I want you to say it after I say it. You are not beautiful because you are better than. You are not less beautiful because you are less than. You are beautiful because God, your creator, created a masterpiece. You are a masterpiece. Who are you going to believe? Who are you going to believe? The world that just constantly tells you you're not. The magazines that tell you that you're not. The beauty industry that tells you this is what you need, otherwise you don't have. When we start really taking care of ourselves, we go out better into the world. We really do. Listen, as a woman, you're not just someone that wears cute outfits. Your responsibility to carry life and to give life. Not just to your babies. You have a responsibility to carry and give life. Not to destroy, break down, divide, cause discord, hurt and wound other women, other people. Because the insecurities are lies. They're lies. They are lies. You have no reason to be insecure. There's no one idea of beauty. You are beautiful because you are alive. Your life is power. Limitless power. Think about all the things that you love to do. If you love fashion, stop and think about how many women you can connect with and love and just connect. Just be a blessing too by starting a conversation about an outfit. Or starting a fashion business. Or start a fashion business but have models that are all different sizes because the world needs to know these things. It's not a coincidence. Think about the things that you're good at. The things that you love. Okay. And I need you to say it. And keep saying it. Keep saying it. I am beautiful because I am. Period. Repeat. And mean it. I am beautiful because I am. I am beautiful because I am. Say it.
I am beautiful because I am.
I have no limits. I have no limits. Say that.
I have no limits.
I do not need anyone's permission to be all that God created me to be.
I do not need anyone's permission to be all that God created me to be.
And I want you to mean that. Say it. Snap your finger if you have to. I do not need anyone's permission to be all of who God created me to be.
I do not need anybody's permission to be all that God created me to be.
Whatever you thought you couldn't do, or weren't prepared enough to do, or weren't good enough to do, whenever you're ready, do it. And if you ain't ready, do it. Listen, every time I had to get up and speak in front of people, I've gotten up. The first time I had to preach in a church, my God, I was nervous. Did I ever say it? Nope. The first time I had to get up and sing, heck yeah, I was nervous. I didn't say it. I didn't feel prepared. I've had to do many things I didn't feel prepared for. I've had to do many things I didn't feel prepared for. So when you feel uncomfortable, push through it and know the success is already yours. It's already yours. It's already yours. Whatever you see out there in your future, that you envision, whatever it is. If it's a more toned body, which you don't need, but if you desire that, hopefully for the right reasons, understand it's already yours. That's why you keep seeing it. That's why you keep seeing it. Because it's yours. Know that your Father does not want to withhold any good thing from you. Nothing. 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 You really can't just believe it's yours and before you know it, you have it. You really can. You really, really can. I believe I spoke my husband into existence, okay? Yeah, I really do. I said, God, give me that one man that's supposedly impossible. The one that's impossible. All men do this, all men do that. God, prove them wrong. My husband's like the poster child for commitment. God did that inside of him, and he was willing. And he was willing. Open your eyes. Anything that comes to rob, steal, kill, or destroy what God has already destined for your life, make sure you destroy that. If it's a relationship, that's it. You have to sever a relationship. You have to sever it. You have to sever it. If that's what you gotta do, that's what you gotta do. You ain't small.